On a cold day, there's nothing better than a hot, delicious, hearty beef stew. Stay put and take a look at how it's made, right here on Impossibly Kosher. Starting off with cubes of beef, sponsored by the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com. Get them in a pan with some olive oil, and on high heat, give them a nice sear to get some good color on the outside. Take them off the heat and get them into the slow cooker. Next we'll need an onion. Oh, that was easy. Get the onion in the crock pot. Then we need some baby potatoes. Baby potatoes add a great level of creaminess to the stew. Next, chopped up rosemary, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups of beef stock, 1 cup of red wine, chopped up parsley, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 big tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a good handful of chopped up garlic, and now stir it all up. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. Oh, I forgot to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, a couple shakes of turmeric, and some chili flakes for additional heat. Mix again. Now get the cover on and either leave it on low for about 7 to 8 hours or on high for about 5. When the time is up, take about half a cup of the broth and mix in 1/4 cup of flour. Mix, mix, and mix some more. Then add it back to the stew, stir it well, and let it cook for 30 minutes to an hour. In the end, you'll be left with a beef stew packed with incredible flavor, tender beefy goodness, a thick sauce with a kick, soft potatoes, and overall, just a perfect hot beef stew for everyone to enjoy. If you like that video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out the Kosher King and Kosher Meats to You, who are the proud sponsors of this video.